That's where the party was supposed to be, somewhere around through here, wasn't it? Yeah. That's pretty lame to cancel that.
It was just mist and rain.
We should have stopped, beached it right there and partied. That's the same guy that was down there at Eunice Avenue. There's a barrel. Look at that barrel floating there.
That's the last route.
It went a lot faster with the water up, man. This was a fast float, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Wavy paddle, Miggy. Where's your flag? Roll Tide! He noticed the flag. Walter!
Walter!
He noticed the flag.
Yeah. The flag. Was you waving it?
Yeah. Well, I'm not a dork like you.
All right, dude.
What's up, Angelo? What's up, Walter?
Oh, no. All right.
Hey, might not be enough room. It's pretty tight.
Doug's got you on video.
It's going to be on YouTube, Baxter. Spry some.
Oh no! Get her done, boy!
We need to go right.
Oh, we're on bottom. Right, we're going left.
No, it's left too
Well, too many people left. Too many people right.
We gotta go right, Doug. We're going
All right,
right.
we're braking. We're braking. And we're fixing to go hard right. I'm braking. I'm reversing. Reverse to give them time to get by. All right, we're going to run over those boats. All right, we're good.